Just thought I would show you our new bed. Comes in a box, 45 kilos weighed. I've opened up the sides. You can see the mattress is all nicely rolled up inside. Comes with a little unboxing tool that helps you get it out, and then it will also help with the plastic so that you don't cut the mattress when you're doing it. As you can see, it's now on the bed, and I'm just going to go through and undo the plastic, which then fills it up with air and turns it into a queen size mattress. It's been about an hour since I took the one bed mattress out of the box. It has increased in size significantly, feels nice and firm, but is still very soft. Hope this has been helpful.